Design tools have come a long way, from clunky offline softwares like Photoshop and Sketch to today's collaborative powerhouses like Figma. The industry has transformed dramatically. Hello and welcome to our yet another Tech Talk. I am Toshi Medatwal, here to express my thoughts on the evolving impact of design tools after Figma's one-stop design solution encountered in the industry today. In the early days, designers worked in isolation, exporting files, sharing static PDFs, and dealing with version control nightmares. Figma changed the game with real-time collaboration, cloud-based access, and seamless integration. It revolutionized teamwork. A 2023 survey showed that 66% of designers now rely on cloud-based design tools like Figma for team collaborations. As we look ahead, the future of design could evolve even more AI-driven automation, immersive 3D environments, and faster integration cycles, making design tools smarter and more intuitive. Figma has set a high standard, but the evolution of design tools isn't slowing down anytime soon. Exciting things are on the horizon. That's it for this video. For more such informative videos, keep following DianApps. Stay tuned for the next.